When the wild turns ruthless, your blade becomes your lifeline. Whether you're deep in the backcountry, prepping for the unknown, or chasing the thrill of tactical perfection, your knife isn't just gear, it's survival. In this video, we've handpicked 14 of the most reliable, battle-tested, and future-ready tactical knives of 2025. From elite military-grade blades to compact EDC warriors, each one is built to perform when it matters most. So if you're serious about gear that doesn't quit, like, comment, and subscribe to stay sharp with every drop. Without further ado, let's dive in. Imagine facing the unknown with just one tool and knowing it's enough. The RoverTac Multitool pocket knife packs 18 functions into a rugged, tactical frame. A sharp blade, pliers, scissors, saw, corkscrew, and a full set of screwdrivers, all secured with a safety lock and housed in a durable nylon sheath. Whether you're deep in the wild or handling daily fixes, this multi-tool is built to adapt, endure, and perform. One tool, endless solutions, always ready. When the situation demands precision and power, this 9-inch fixed blade from Smith & Wesson features a 4.7-inch dual-edge high-carbon stainless steel blade, built for piercing, slicing, and tactical control. The TPE handle offers a secure grip in wet or high-stress conditions, making it a trusted companion for outdoor missions, survival scenarios, and everyday carry. Rugged, balanced, and always ready, this is the blade you reach for when compromise isn't an option. When the wild calls, you answer with steel and fire. The BA Core DC53 fixed knife is a 15.2-inch full Tang beast, forged from 6mm thick DC53 steel to deliver brute strength and cutting precision in the harshest conditions. Paired with a 5.9-inch cerium igniter, this kit brings both edge and spark to your outdoor loadout. Whether you're hunting, camping, or deep in survival mode, this duo is built to endure, ignite, and perform. Cut through, light up, stay ready. When the forest goes silent and the hunt begins, this blade speaks for you. The VK-HK08 Damascus hunting knife is a 10-inch full Tang tool forged for raw precision. Its rippled steel edge slices clean through hide and brush, while the walnut wood handle anchors your grip with natural strength. Built for skinning, bushcraft, and survival, this knife doesn't just perform, it becomes part of your instinct. Imagine a blade that disappears in your pocket, but shows up when it counts. The CIVIVI Mini Praxis packs a 2.98-inch D2 steel blade into a sleek, lightweight frame with a textured G10 handle for confident grip. Sharp, smooth, and built for everyday carry, it's ready for camping, hiking, or sudden survival needs. With a deep carry pocket clip and minimalist profile, this knife proves that small doesn't mean soft. Compact, capable, always in reach. You don't plan for emergencies, you prepare for them. The Ned Foss DA75 is a tactical 3-in-1 folding knife built for real-world readiness. Its sharp blade handles daily tasks with ease, while the integrated seatbelt cutter and glass breaker stand ready for rescue scenarios. Secured by a liner lock and clicked for fast access, this knife is engineered for survival, camping, and everyday carry. 3 tools, 1 mission, 0 hesitation. Imagine a blade that flips like instinct and cuts like conviction. The Kizer Nice Guy folds a 2.84-inch D2 steel edge into a compact G10 frame, built for clean deployment and confident control. Lightweight, sharp, and secured by a liner lock, it's made for hiking trails, survival tasks, and everyday carry. Whether you're slicing through brush or opening boxes, this flipper stays quiet, fast and always ready. Precision in your palm. Minimalist by design. Tactical by nature. Imagine holding a blade that blends ancient artistry with modern precision. This Damascus steel folding knife features a VG10 core wrapped in rippling layers of forged strength, delivering sharpness, durability, and visual depth in every cut. The wooden handle adds warmth and grip, while the leather sheath completes the experience with timeless elegance. Whether you're deep in the wild or curating your collection, this knife is more than a tool. It's a statement, crafted to perform, designed to be admired. Imagine a blade born for battle, refined for survival. The Gerber StrongArm is a full Tang fixed blade forged from 420HC steel, built to perform under pressure. With its plain edge profile, rubberized grip, and modular sheath system, it's designed for fast deployment and unwavering control. Whether you're navigating the backcountry or facing the unexpected. Proudly made in the USA and finished in Coyote Brown, this knife doesn't just survive, it dominates. Tactical roots, survival soul, built for those who move with purpose. Imagine the weight of tradition in your hand and the edge of survival at your fingertips. This 9-inch full Tang hunting knife is forged from layered Damascus steel, delivering raw cutting power with a rippled finish that tells its own story. The non-slip wooden handle offers natural grip and control, while the leather sheath keeps it protected and ready for the wild. Imagine stepping into the wild with steel in both hands and zero hesitation. The Work Pro combo set pairs a full Tang tactical knife with a camping hatchet, each built for survival, precision, and raw outdoor power. Whether you're splitting wood, carving shelter, or facing the unexpected, this duo delivers strength and control with sheaths that keep them ready for action. 2 tools, 1 mission, built to conquer the elements. When the road twists and the moment turns critical, this blade doesn't ask, it acts. With a 2.95-inch serrated edge, seatbelt cutter, and glass breaker, this folding knife is built for real-world emergencies and everyday carry. Compact, sharp, and clipped for instant access, it's ready for survival, camping, or urban unpredictability. Legal in size, tactical in spirit, this is the tool that moves when you do. Cut, escape, endure, no hesitation. When speed meets control, the CJRB bolt answers with precision. This 3¼ AR RPM 9 steel blade snaps open with recoil lock confidence, delivering smooth deployment and solid lockup in one fluid motion. The textured G10 handle offers grip you can trust, while the deep carry clip keeps it low profile and ready for action.